wanna practice a little exercise. Stand in the middle of the room. Now close your eyes. I want you to undress slowly. I wanna watch as your clothes hit the floor. I pull you in close. Spit slides off my tongue onto yours. And once you get a taste, you'll be craving for more. Now I'm gonna need you to listen to every word I say. I give the demands and you obey. Good girl. Let me kiss the lips between your thighs while I look you in the eye. Watch me. I'm holding your legs while you're gripping my head. I'ma use my tongue to spell